Telangana today is one of the fastest growing regions in the country. Hyderabad is emerged as a major hub for IT licenses, manufacturing and innovation. This growth gives us pride, but it also gives us a responsibility. Development and environmental protection cannot be placed on opposite sides. They must walk together. Our government has set ambitious goals for economic growth, including moving towards a $3 trillion economy through sustainable development. At the same time, we are investing in reservation of water bodies, protection of natural resources, and improvement of air quality. Because development without clean air is not progress. That's what we believe seriously. It is only postponed damage. Air quality is not just an environmental indicator. It is a public health indicator. It is a productivity indicator. It is an economic indicator also. Global studies, including the State of Global Air Report 2024, shows us the seriousness of the issue. Air pollution today is the second leading global risk factor for death after high blood pressure. It is linked to more than 8 million premature deaths annually. It affects our children, our elderly, and our working population. A World Bank study estimates that air pollution costs the global economy over $4 trillion every year. So when we talk about clean air, we are talking about human lives, economic strength, and social well-being. I'm happy to be part of this important conference on air quality index and air quality management, organized with a clear and noble objective: cleaner air for Telangana, a healthier Telangana. This is our motto. When we discuss air quality today, we must look honestly at the experience of other major Indian cities. All of us have seen what happens in Delhi during winter. It's very alarming. Air quality index levels cross sometimes 300. Schools are closed, flights are cancelled, people are advised not to step out. Children grow up under polluted skies. It is not a seasonal inconvenience. It is a result of decades of unplanned growth and weak environmental governance. Delhi's experience is a serious warning for all of us, particularly growing cities. Hyderabad, thankfully, has not reached that stage. Our air quality, though not perfect, remains largely in this aspect and moderate range. We have avoided prolonged smog episodes. This has not just happened by chance. It is a result of long-term institution building and forward-looking urban planning carried out for many years and decades. From the early investments in mass transport to these certain creation of planned industrial zones to the strengthening of environmental regulation, other regulations, these foundations were laid during successive governments for a long period. These decisions taken years ago are protecting us today. Good governance always shows its result with time. Our present government also is building on that strong foundation under the leadership of our Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu and the entire cabinet teams coming